this USB connector is not power. Not power. It can only be powered from 12 volts. Yeah, I like this thing. It's pretty handy. It's pretty good. I don't need, oh yeah, the batteries are weird. Okay, so I think it uses two, what is it, 18650 batteries inside of this holder. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, the only thing that can't be helped is that there's too much space to the left and the right, so I find myself having to cut stuff. Yeah, so you know, I can make little labels, big size labels, you know, small size labels, like yeah, double line labels, for example. Yeah, pretty handy.
Um, surprise. Let's go to see. Let's go to right. Hello. Print. And voila. Excellent. Great. It's clear. It's beautiful. It's great. Great, great.
So here I am with my label makers from DYMO. The first one I bought is this one. So when you try to print, it's gonna show label jar. So I went and asked for a new one to replace this one because it's not working. I have done everything that I possibly could to try to make it work. It doesn't work. Okay, keep the same thing, label jar. Yeah. So the new one just arrived last night. So here I put the test. When I try to print, same thing again. So it doesn't work.
Doesn't turn on.